Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to fix your DMs not working on Instagram. So if your Instagram DMs are not working for you today, it could be due to various reasons including technical issues on Instagram and or issues with your device or internet connection. Here are some of the steps you can fix it. So Instagram is experiencing any widespread issues or outage. You can do this by visiting social media platform like checking online outage track website. If the Instagram is down, you may need to wait until they resolve the issue. Or else you can also completely close the Instagram application, long press on the Instagram and go to the app info page, and here go to force stop and you can try completely closing the Instagram app. Along with that, restart your device and that should be able to fix the issue. However, these are not a reliable solutions. You can also try checking your internet connection. Sometimes if you have unstable or poor connectivity, that can cause an issue with loading Instagram DMs. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data for a certain time and that should be able to fix the issue. However, if nothing seems to be working out, then you can also try checking whether you have the latest features or not. So for that case, open up your Play Store and go to Instagram and check whether you need to update or not. If the application is completely updated, then you can try uninstalling the following app and then reinstalling it, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix your Instagram DM not working today. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.